Think someone else is using your Gmail? Check now. Review recent security activity. Open any web browser on your iPhone, Android, or computer. In the search bar, type myaccount.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Gmail account that you normally use. Tap on Security and sign in. Here, you'll see any recent sign-in activity from the last 28 days. Check all logged-in devices. Scroll down to the Your Devices section. Tap Manage All Devices. Here, you'll see every device currently signed into your Google account. In my case, I can see my iPhone listed. If you recognize every device, your account is secure. If you notice a device you don't recognize, tap on it to view more details. If needed, tap Try Another Way. Then select Enter Your Passcode. Enter your device passcode to continue. You'll now see additional information, including when and where the device signed in. If the device isn't yours, tap Sign Out to remove its access immediately. This is especially helpful if you previously signed in on an old phone, tablet, or computer that you no longer use. Review linked apps. Go back to the Security and Sign-In page. Scroll down to the Linked Apps section. Tap See All Linked Apps. Here, you'll see every app and service connected to your Google account. For example, I have Instagram, OpenAI, Perplexity, and Snapchat linked to my account. Review the list carefully. If you find an app you no longer use or don't recognize, tap on it. Select Delete All Connections. When the confirmation message appears, tap Confirm. This is a good way to prevent old or unused services from accessing your account. Turn on two-step verification. Now let's add an extra layer of security to your Google account. On the security page, tap two-step verification. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Tap Turn on two-step verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This makes it much harder for anyone else to access your account, even if they know your password. And that's it.